Dear student of class 9, today I will teach you exercise 6C, question number 1, first part. I told you rules already in exercise 6B and same rules will be applied in this exercise. Now question number 1, first part. 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power 1 upon 3. 5 to the power 0 means 1 and it can be written 1 upon 4 to the power 1 plus 8 can be written to the power 3 whole power 1 upon 3. It is 1 upon 4 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. 1 upon 4 plus 2 is 4 to the 8 and plus 1 9 upon 4. This is the answer. Now, dear student, now question number 1, fourth part. Cube root 16 whole power minus 3 upon 4 into 125 to the power minus 2. So, what to do here? 16 can be written in exponential form 2 to the power 4. It is 2 to the power 4. 16 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2 to the power 4 we can write. Okay. And 125 we can write 5 into 5 into 5. So in exponential form we can write 5 to the power 3. So 16 means 2 to the power 4 whole power minus 3 upon 4 into 5 to the power 3 whole power minus 2. So, cube root, dear student, you have to make this cube root symbol very small. 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 upon 4 into 5 to the power minus 6, 4 cancel. Now, cube root will write in exponential form. So 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 6 whole power 1 upon 3. Then 2 to the power minus 3 into 1 upon 3, 5 to the power minus 6 into 1 upon 3, 3 2 ja. But minus 2, this cancel. 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 2, it can be written 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 5 to the power 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 25, 5 to the power 2, 1 upon 50. This is the answer. Dear student, now question number 1, first part. 64 upon 125 whole power minus 2 upon 3 is divided by 1 upon 256 upon 625 whole power 1 upon 4 plus square root 25 upon cube root 64 whole power 0. So, what to do here? It can be written 4 to the power 3 and 64 can be written 4 to the power 3 and 125 can be written 5 to the power 3. So, we can write this 4 upon 5 whole power 3 to the power minus 2 upon 3. Now, it is divided by 1 upon, dear students, 56. When you will factorize this, then it is 4 to the power 4. And 6, when you will factorize 625, then you will get it is 5 to the power 4. So, it is in exponential form 4 upon 5 to the power 4 whole power 1 upon 4 plus I told you before that any number or any term to the power 0 equal to 1. So, it is 1. Now, 4 upon 5 power 3 into minus 2 upon 3 is divided by 1 upon 4 upon 5, 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 1. Then it is 3 cancel. 4 upon 5 minus 2 divided by 1 upon 4 upon 5 plus 1. 5 upon 4 to the power, to make it positive exponent, what will do? 5 upon 4 to the power 2, it divided by, it will go up. 1 into 5 upon 4, it is 25 upon plus 1, 25 upon 16. So it will be inversed. We like the inverse when we convert sign of division into sign of multiplication. Then it is 4 upon 5. 5 on the 5, so downside, plus 1. 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 5 1 जा 5, 5 जा. So 5 upon 4 plus 1. Now 5 plus 4 1 जा 4 upon 4. It is 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. When we will convert it into mixed fraction, then 1 whole, 1 up, 2 whole, 4 2 is 8, 1 plus 1, 9 upon 4. It is 2 whole, 1 upon 4. Yes, dear student, now fifth part of this question. 81 whole 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 32 whole power minus 2 upon 5 plus 1, 8 whole, 8 to the power 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 whole power minus 2 into 2 to the power 0. It can be written, 81 can be written 3 to the power 4 whole power 3 upon 4 minus, it can be written 32 upon 1. Sorry, 32 upon 1 to make it positive exponent, plus it can be written to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 to the power 1 upon 3. Yeah. To the power 3 whole power 1 upon 3. Into, it can be written 2 upon 1 to the power 2. To make it positive power exponent, what will do? 2 upon 1 to the power 2. It is 1. Then 3 to the power 4 into 3 upon 4. Then it can be written 2 to the power 5. 32 can be written 2 to the power 5. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32. Into 2 upon 5 by power to the power means multiplication of power. 2 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3 into 2 to the power 2. Now 4 4 cancel, 5 5 cancel, then it is 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 4. It is 27 minus 4 plus 8 means 8, 27 plus 8 35 minus 4 equal to 31. This is the answer.